Hey guys, this is Gautami here with a new concept. Today I'm going to discuss essential blessings. Trust me, they are very essential to have a happy life. What is the first point? Be away from the bad persons. Don't be associated with the fools. They don't do any good deeds. Trust me. They inspire us to do bad things. They don't have basic morality. They don't worry about the consequences and the influences that it's going to disturb in the future life. So be away from them. That would help you to progress in your life. So big no for bad friendship. But be associated with the wise. That's my second point. Cling on to them because they are full of good qualities and they'll inspire you to do good deeds. You will be discouraged to do bad deeds and encouraged to do good deeds. And you can very easily progress in your life. You will have their guidance to lead a successful life. And they will not allow you to do any bad actions because they would worry about the consequences and the future as well. So, cling on to the wise people. Okay, cling on to the wise. Be associated with wise. My third point, honor and respect the deserving ones. Who are they? First, our parents. Secondly, elders. And third, teachers. At any cost, you should not disrespect these three. You should respect and honor them so that you get lots of blessings in your life. You get their guidances and blessings so that you can progress in your spiritual and your materialistic life. So, praise, honor, and respect the deserving ones. What happens if you honor the wrongdoers? They are encouraged to do wrong things, and many people would suffer because of their presence. So, in this way, indirectly, you reduce the wrong deeds. Next point, living in a suitable place. So, where we live matters a lot. You have to find a place where you enjoy the peace and you have a protected life. Your family and your property are protected. Choose a place where there are many wise people there and live. That would help you to progress in your future. Next point, doing good deeds in the past, present, and in the future. What are the good deeds you have done in the past? Now you are living present life. Present also you have to continue doing some charitable acts, helping others, doing your own work in a sincere way, not cheating the employers, wholeheartedly serving them, being very truthful to the employers. All these things you have to continue in the present life so that the future will be automatically taken care in a nice way. So you should not stop doing good deeds. Continue doing it. Right? And last point is taking up the right path. Honestly speaking, many are not aware that they are in the wrong path. Ignorance. But you should be prudent enough to choose the right path. lead others in the right path, cultivate some more good qualities, habits. Don't ever take the wrong path. Your life will be very, very blissful and successful. Hope you all enjoyed all these points. Thank you so much. See you all again with a new concept. This is Gautami signing off. See you.